Hello YouTubers, Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how to clean up your computer. If your computer running slow, by using this method you can fresh your computer, and I think if you follow this video your computer will be run so fast. So let's begin. First of all, you have to press Windows button and R. Here will be run. Now you have to input prefetch, 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 then OK. Here are huge cache file. This cache file will affect your PC and your PC running slow. But if you delete this cache file, your PC will be fast. So press Ctrl A. All files are selected. Now press delete or right button click and click delete. Just some kind of files will not be deleted, so you have to do skip. Okay, this is the number one method. Second method is open run and type temp, then enter. This folder is empty, that means here are no file, but sometime here are also be some file. You have to clean this file. Third option is press I'm again seeing you %temp and press OK. Here are some cache file. You have to delete this file also. Ctrl A, right button click and delete. Try again. Okay, here are also some file will not be deleted, so you have to just skip this. Skip. Now your cache file is clean. Now you have to go recycle bin and select this file and press right button empty recycle bin. Permanently delete. Yes. Okay, all the cache file are deleted. Now your PC will be running fast. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like, comment in this video. Thank you.